Hello guys, we're gonna make a fireworks show for you. Slane, stop trying to make a fire. Alright, so we're gonna start off with...
There it is.
Lane. Yeah, that's how Lane rolls.
That's how I make fire.
Yes.
High-tech sparklers.
So we're gonna set up a couple fireworks for you guys because you keep on...
You like this stupid thing.
Where?
Fuse. I can't even find the fuse. Oh, the smart way to find the fuse.
Oh God!
With the lighter. Oh, okay.
Good job.
Okay.
So, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, and like the video and subscribe.
I don't know if that's how you do it.
I think you have to...
Yep, there we go. Okay.
That'll make people like and subscribe.
Oh,
we can.
just hope it's not illegal.
Yeah. Let's hope that wasn't illegal.
Hey, look at all the ants around here.
They're like, oh God. It's like a nuclear explosion. Oh, I have the big one. I think
We'll save the big one for last.
Yes, it's Christmas.
Shouldn't be illegal. We're the ones that found them in the stores. You're supposed to set fireworks off at night.
So here we go. Next one, the huge one.
Well, it's not the biggest one.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
This one shoots in the air.
Wait, like shoots up?
Wait, I'm gonna hold the camera.
Here, keep it.
Oh, you put.
Please tell me it's over.
Here's our next one. It might take a while to get out of the box. Yes. We're medieval explosion.
Talk about catching the yard on fire.
Thank you, China.
China makes everything for us.
It's awesome. Yeah, we got a couple more. 4th of July. Like the video and share. Yeah. Share is for caring. Okay, our next firework. Golden. We're gonna set off golden.
Should pop the top? Pop the top up?
Yeah.
That's it.
Just rip those off and see if we don't awake the neighbors. Wait, oh, we opened it upside down.
You might as well just take it out of the box.
And Lane's my cousin. We like exploding stuff. It's like duty. This one's gonna be a little closer to the camera. Don't light it when it's in my hand. So at the end, we're gonna burn all the boxes. I like to go to bed. There. Oh, fire. Okay. Don't light the whole entire box up. Alright. Here's our next firework. Do Wait, let's have it up.
Is this the last one?
No, we have a couple more. And we're gonna light the boxes on fire. Sprinklers. Don't do this at home, kids.
Jeez. I'm gonna jump it.
We're gonna light these ones two at a time, right at the same time.
Okay.
So,
Try to do these.
alright, we're gonna put these guys facing towards the camera. Alright, let's just make them face up. There's one. Like that one up. At least if we get 2 more subscribers, I'll make another video. Oh, it's so cute! So, our grand finale is gonna light up a sparkler box. That sounds really stupid
Yeah, that's why we're doing it.
for you guys. We're risking our lives for you
We're
guys.
already on our second lighter.
Wait, so here's the grand finale.
I thought we were gonna put that in. Here, we gotta open it up.
Yeah, this might take a while. So, let's just get the boxes and burn, burn, and burn, and let them burn, and let them burn. Alright, so he's trying to summon the devil. Alright. Charlie, right here. Okay. So this is the fun firework that almost killed us. See this one right here? Almost killed us.
Still got one more box.
It looks like it just blew up. Yay!
Did you just drop it?
No. This video might be so long. Alright, let's watch my cousin try to... Alright, I'm gonna hold it this time. Alright, see? Watch this technique used by the Incas. Here we go. Oh God.
Jeez.
Oh, this flashes. Alright. Now we just burn a bunch of boxes.
Put the boxes on top. Put the fire out. Way to go.
Don't let anybody know what we did. Oh God.
Gosh. Jeez. No, don't put the fireworks on there, you idiot.
It sounds like a good idea to me.
Oh, dude, the smoke bomb, the extra smoke bombs and stuff.
Oh, we forgot about the smoke bombs and we just threw them in. So, that's it for this video.